What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to take a look at Turbo. Currently seeing at 0.0054. Starting to see that pullback. We were looking for down 5%. Market cap 349 million. 24-hour volume 105. So there you are. Wave 2 pullback. Target zone 0.052307. And the 78.6 at 0.00422. Yes, we can push up from here and see continuation back to the upside. If that does take place, then you can take a trend base extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top. If that's the bottom of wave 2, you would target the 1.618 for your next wave 3, and that could take you all the way up to 0.0103. Knock off a 0 for Turbo. That'd be exciting. So do watch for that. If we do end up pushing it from here, of course, depends on Bitcoin and Ethereum. If we create a lower low, it's perfectly fine. Could bounce off the golden ratio, the 61.8 or the 78.6, before continuation back to the upside. So I may look to take a long, especially if we put in one more lower low before bouncing, to ride up that wave 3, and a signal will be given in the Discord. All right, gang, so we completed that massive wave 1 up, and just remove everything so you guys can see it better. So we completed, come on, bruh, the massive wave 1 off the bear market low. Had a beautiful wave 2 pullback. I loaded up on that wave 2 pullback. It's already in profit. And then we look to push up in that wave 3, which could take you all the way up to 0.019, almost 2 cents. Pull back in a 4, continue up in a wave 5. That's what I'm looking at for a Turbo. So far, so good. Beautiful pullback here in the short term. So if we can get a small 5-wave move off the low, that's the first signal that the correction is over. Until then, if we roll over, we create one more lower low, and then we see bounce to the upside. If I do take a long position, I'll give a signal in the Discord. You can gain completely free access with a deposit to Bitfinex. Sign up and deposit. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. Once you make your first deposit, send me an email. Can be $10, $100. You also get 10% back on every single trade on your fees. Send me an email, give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, as well as Forex signals. So all links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.